Hello, dear subscribers, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can see Instagram login activity on iPhone. Right, do you helped you my solution or not? Did you manage to do so or not? And also write in the comments, I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes, share this video with friends. Let's get started. To do this, open Instagram. Next, in order for you and me to see your Instagram activity, go to your profile. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy Account Center. Password and Security. Neon board. And then we can find here all our devices. It can be phones, tablets, computers, and so on. We see, let's say, iPhone 7 go here. We see that this iPhone went to 2022. So we can click Log Out. And just log out of that device. So we don't have anything extra here. We can find some MacBook over there. I have one. Also logged in the 21st year. I can click Log Out and log out of this device. We can scroll down to the bottom so we can log out from any device and see the activity on our Instagram. That's the easy way on an iPhone, and absolutely anything else on any other phone. Let me know if my solution helped you. Did you like this video? If yes, put a like, subscribe to the channel, and also write in the comments what you would like to see in the next videos. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.